Hello rising stars. Now we are going to study the animal world. There are different types of animals such as wild animals. Wild animals are those which live in forest. There are farm animals. These animals work in the farms. Pet animals. Pet animals are those which we keep at our home. There are water animals. Water animals live in water. There are birds which fly in the sky. There are insects which crawl on the ground. Now, let us study different kind of wild animals. Wild animals are those which live in forest. Now look at this picture. This picture is of fox. F-O-X, fox. This is a snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Repeat. S-N-A-K-E, snake. This one is rhino. R-H-I-N-O, rhino. Repeat. R-H-I-N-O, rhino. This is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Repeat. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. This is bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. This is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Repeat. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. This is lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Repeat. L-I-O-N, lion. This is crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Repeat. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. This one is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now the last one is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Repeat. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now let us study the farm animals. Farm animals are those which work in our farms. First one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Repeat. H-O-R-S-E, horse. This one is donkey. D-O-N, don, K-E-Y, key, donkey. Repeat. D-O-N, don, K-E-Y, key, donkey. This one is sheep. S-H, sure, E-E-P, sheep. Repeat. S-H, E-E-P, sheep. This one is goat. G-O-G-A-T, at, goat. Repeat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. H is her, E-N-N, hen. This is cow. C-O-W, cow. Repeat. C-O-W, cow. This is pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Let us study the water animals. Water animals are those which live in water. This one is crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Repeat. C-R-A-B, ab, crab. This is seahorse. S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, horse. Seahorse. Repeat. S-E-A-C-H-O-R-S-E, horse. Seahorse. This is jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. F-I-S-H, fish. Jellyfish. Repeat. J-E-L-L-Y, jelly. F-I-S-H, fish. Jellyfish. This is octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Repeat. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. This is dolphin. D-O-L, doll. P-H, fur. I-N-N, dolphin. Repeat. D-O-L, doll. P-H, fur. I-N-N, dolphin. This is whale. W-H, A-L-E, ale. Whale. Repeat. W-H-A-L-E, whale. This is shark. S-H, A-R-K, ark. Shark. Repeat. S-H-A-R-K, shark. This is turtle. T-U-R, T-L-E, turtle. Repeat. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Now let us know some birds. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Repeat. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is crow. C-R-O-W-O, crow. Repeat. C-R-O-W, crow. This is goose. G-O-O-G-O-S-E, goose. Repeat. G-O-O-S-E, goose. This is owl. O-W-L, owl. Repeat. O-W-L, owl. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. This is sparrow. S-P, spur. A-R-R-O-W, arrow. Spur, arrow, sparrow. Repeat. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is cock. C-O-C-K is cock. Repeat. C-O-C-K, cock. This is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Repeat. D-U-C-K, duck. Now let us study few insects. This is ladybird. L-A-D-Y, lady. B-I-R-D, bird. Ladybird. Repeat. L-A-D-Y, B-I-R-D, ladybird. This is honeybee. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. B-E-E-B, honeybee. Repeat. H-O-N-E-Y, B-E-E, honeybee. This is caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R, cater. P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar. Caterpillar. Repeat. C-A-T-E-R, cater. P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar. Caterpillar. This is beetle. B-E-T-T-L-E, beetle. Repeat. B-E-T-T-L-E, beetle. This is dragonfly. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. F-L-Y, fly. Dragonfly. Repeat. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. F-L-Y, fly. Dragonfly. Now let us study few pets animals. Pet animals are those which we can keep at our home. This is dog. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Repeat. D-O-G, dog. This is fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Repeat. F-I-S-H, fish. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. Repeat. C-A-T, cat. This is parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Repeat. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Repeat. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. In this way, we have completed different type of animal. If you like the videos, please do not forget to subscribe our video and hit the notification button. Thank you.